Right guys, just a very quick review of JayKay Dowdall's new product called Symphoni. Now, this is on the sales page. It's still under construction, but I'll just go briefly over it. Newly discovered traffic source. Deliver sales and leads while your target customer listens to their favourite music, all for less than $1.91 a day. Now, I've reviewed products in the past where they say this newly discovered traffic source or hidden traffic source that nobody's seen before, etc., and it turns out to be Google or Facebook or something. However, this is JayKay we're talking about, not one of the Circle GX out there. And JayKay's training is always spot on. Okay, now, this traffic source, I have never ever heard anybody even talk about promoting on it. Never mind using it. I do a lot of paid traffic, and I've never heard anybody even mention it. And now the actual traffic source is Spotify. Now Spotify, people listen to music, and it's a bit like you get those ads that interrupt your videos you watch on YouTube. Well, Spotify, people listen to music, and all of a sudden they'll get an advert. All right, so and that's what JayKay has been doing. Now, the really strange thing about Spotify is you can spend $250. And testing, you can drag it out for 6 months, and they work bill you for 6 months. So you're not paying up front. You pay for your ads first, and then pay them later. So you can pay them out your money you earn. So we've got a couple of welcome videos and introduction to Spotify. Then we're going to all about your audio ads and the definitions. Goes over budgeting, which he talks about what I've just spoken about, how they don't bill you for 6 months. That's why I think he's got his $1.91 a day figure from. Goes over targeting, restrictions, your do's and don'ts. Now then, you can promote, make money online type stuff, but you've got to be careful. You don't promote any crap. Don't promote anything that's got stupid claims or anything like that. Spotify are nowhere near as strict as what Facebook are. You can actually direct link. You don't have to mass cloak your links or anything like that. You don't have to do any black hat stuff to get your ads, ads seen, etc. So don't worry on that scenario. You're not going to get your account shut down just because Facebook had changed the rules over while he's asleep or whatever. It's nothing like that. You just use your common sense. Don't make any wild claims. Okay. And it goes into how to create your ads, the script. These ads are only like 30 seconds long. That's it. So they're not complicated by any means. It even shows you where to get them outsourced. In fact, Spotify themselves will do it for free. You'll just come up with a copy, they'll supply the voiceover and the image. So you just do the copy, which JayKay teaches you how to, what sort of copy you should use, etc., and how many words and everything. Then it goes into creating your image, which is really easy, and then launching your campaign. And then finally, how to monetize with CPA, which I know will interest a lot of my list. Monetizing with info products. And this is reselling Spotify ads. Now, it goes over how he is making some decent money selling to local businesses. Now, I know that won't be everybody's cup of tea, but he's making a good chunk of change doing it. And he does go over how he's doing it, but he doesn't go into all the nitty gritty. He does have some separate training. I'm not sure if it's one of the upsells actually, I'll leave details of the upsells below, but yeah, if you want to do some offline, you can resell to offline companies. So yeah, anything JayKay puts out, it's never hyped up. It's always quality training. I know a lot of you guys have had his training in the past. So if you want to try Spotify for some paid advertising, yeah, highly recommend it.